Good evening. Today we are going to see three problems on metacentric height. So this actually, if we will see, metacentric height problems are easy, and we know we have that formula, that is Gm, that is equal to Iyy upon volume of liquid displaced minus Bg. And this formula we have to use for metacentric height, and we have to solve problem using this formula. So we have first, that is a rectangular panton is 4 meter long, 3 meter wide, and 1.4 meter high. The depth of immersion. So these values you have to keep in mind. We have length as 4 meter, we have width as 3 meter, height we have 1.4 meter. So as height is 1.4 meter, so my CG, this CG will be 0.7 meter from bottom of this. So this is most important. These values you have to mark at that time only. So we can have G, that is at 0.7 meter. The depth of immersion of the panton is 1 meter. So if depth of immersion is 1 meter, then we have point B that will be at 0.5 meter from bottom or from bottom. If the center of the gravity is 0.7 meter, 7 meter, if the center of gravity is 0.7 meter above the bottom of the penton, determine the metacentric height. So already this is 1.4 given, so automatically my center of gravity should be at 0.7 meter. So we'll plot this diagram so you can see this. So I have center of gravity 0.7 meter, 1 meter we have depth of immersion, which will gives me 0.5, that is depth of point of buoyancy from bottom. And then we have, this will be 3 meters, and we are going to find Iyy from this. So given data you can see in figure, so I can write here given data as shown in figure. So as shown in figure, and then we are going to get value of Iyy, and that is equal to BD cube by 12. Now we have B, this will be considered as L. So this will act as B because we have to take moment of inertia about y axis. So my width, that becomes the depth. So this becomes B, and then this becomes D, and we have BD cube by 12. And that will give me 9 meter to the power 4. Then we have to find weight of volume of liquid displaced. So I can mention it as VFD. Uh, and that will be equal to, so now we have 4 meter by 3 meter, that is my uh, area, and depth I have of immersion is 1 meter. And so this we know, this we have 3 meters, and our length is perpendicular to this, which is 4 meter. So we have 4 into 3 into 1, VFD will be 12 meter cube. Now GB we can find very easily. So that is 0.7 minus 0.5, and that will gives me value of Bg. Now GM formula we know. I can mention. So Iyy upon VFD and minus Bg. So Iyy 9, VFD 12 minus 0.2, which is Bg, and we will get GM, that is 0.55 meter. As value we have plus, that means my metacenter is above G, and therefore my body is in stable equilibrium. So seventh you can see, so this is the problem number which is in fluid mechanics by Bunsen. That is unsolved problem. Then I will go to the second problem, 4 meter long, 2 meter wide, and 1 meter deep. So if it is 1 meter deep, so automatically I will get G, that is equal to 0.5 meter from bottom. Now floats in water. What is the weight of the body if depth of immersion is 0.3? So if depth of immersion is 0.6 meter, then we have B equal to 0.3 meter from bottom. Now we will draw the diagram, and we will show all values in this diagram only. So I will show, write down that given data, and that is as shown in figure. So we need not require to write all these values. It is always preferable to show these values in the diagram. So depth of immersion zero point 0.6, so that B is zero point 0.3, and total height we have uh, 1 meter. Therefore, my G is at 0.5 meters. And then I will go to the uh, weight of body, and we know weight of body that is equal to volume of water displaced, and volume of water displaced we can have, that is area of this. So we have this as 2 meter, we have length that is perpendicular to this, which is given as 4 meter. So 4 into 2, and depth of immersion is zero point 0.6, so multiplied by unit weight, then we are going to get this value that is equal to weight of the body. And as it is given in water, so we have that is unit weight 9810. So 4 into 2 into zero point 0.6, this is my volume of water displaced into gamma, that will gives me weight of body. And then we can find metacentric height, for which I will calculate IYY. Now this is 4 meter, so this will be B, and this 2 meter will be D. So BD cube by 12, 8 by 3. Then we have this as VFD, water of fluid displaced. So 4 into 2 into zero point 0.6, which is 4.8 meter cube. And then we will BG. Now we know from bottom we have G 0.5 and B 0.3, and distance between these two we will get 0.2 meters. And then we will write formula of GM, that is metacentric height, IYY by VFD minus BG, and we will get it as 8 upon 3 into 4.8 minus zero point 0.2, and that will be 0.355 meter. Again, as we are going to get this value as positive, so meta center is above G, and therefore our body is in stable equilibrium. Then we will go to the problem number 3. So a block have a block of wood of specific gravity zero point 0.8 floats in water. Determine the metacentric height of the block if its size is 3 meter by 2 meter by 1 meter. So now depth is 1 meter. So I have value of G, that is 0.5 meter from bottom. And then we will show this. So we have this is 0.5 meter from bottom, and that is zero point 0.8 meter it will go. Now how it will go 0.8 meter, so that we can see we have weight of body that is equal to weight of water displaced. Now we have weight of body that is zero point 0.8 into 9810. So this is S into gamma into G into volume of the body, and that will be equal to weight of water displaced. Now we have zero point 0.8 into 9810 into 3, we have length of the body, 2 meter we have width of the body, 1 meter we have depth, and from this we are going to get how much depth of body is submerged in water. And then from this we will get this 98103, 2 gets cancel, 98103, 2 gets cancel, and we will get H submerged 0 point 0.8 into 1. So now you can keep in mind this formula in this fashion also. H submerged, that is equal to S, that is specific gravity of the body, multiplied by H of the body, and that will gives you height of body submerged. And we have this value 0.8 meter. So if height submerged is zero point 0.8, so automatically point of buoyancy is 0.4, and we will get GB value again 0.1 meter. So why we will find, so we we have B as 3 meter, we have D as 2 meters, and from this we will get I by 2 meter 4, V 4.8 meter cube, and then we will get BG zero point 0.1 meter. GM we have I by V minus BG, and that will give us 2 upon 4.8 minus 1 point 0.316, means my M is above B, above G, and above G, and therefore we have stable equilibrium. So as value we have GM is positive. So these are the some problems which are related with meta center. So today we will stop here only. So thank you.